Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is Mail Casting. Our project deals with the mailing system. Mailing system is nothing but we can send a message or we can send an image or any type of data from one place to another in anywhere in the world. This project is having different modules like new user creations or login form and then sending form, then producer error report. A new user creation form named as a sign up form, and already existing user can log into the mailing system, named it as a sign in form. In email system, which has been privatized and is existing in different forms like Hotmail, Freemail and Gmail. At the time of user creation, we have to specify here and we have to fill some mandatory fields like email IDs options and gender options, then locations, email, other email IDs and mobile phone number, and also a captcha IDs. After specifying them, they have to validate the given information are to be true or not. After the validation can be done, then only a new account will be created to us. After the creation of a new account, then we have the privilege to send a mail or receive a mail or to access the mail. In Cybermail, mainly the project will give the easy way to create a new account and sending mails with free of cost. Because we must connect it with the internet, and then only we are going to send the mail from the sender to receiver. The sending documents or the sending information can be in any format like .jpg, .doc or anything like that, etc. By make use of mail, we can communicate anywhere in the world with anyone in the world, anyone and anywhere in the world. It's our data flow diagram. First of all, we have to specify which user is given user is new user or an existing user. If the user were a new user, they have to create an account and then give privilege or then give the authentication to mail. After giving the authentication, have to compose the mail. Compose the mail is nothing but we can send a mail to anyone by specifying the email ID. If the user is a new user, the same procedure could be followed. Or else if the user could be a existing user, directly going to the user login form and then log in by giving their email ID and their corresponding password. After the validation could be taken, if the validation could be true, then only authenticate to mail, or else the process will be repeated from the basics. After the mail authentication could be done, they have the privilege to send a mail to the receiver. At the time of sending, the sender must specify the receiver email IDs at a certain point of time. The receiver ID could be given by the sender must be validated, because the email ID must be valid one. If the valid one, then only send the mail to the receiver IDs successfully, or else it reports a error report, because the valid ID only have the privilege to receive the mails or receive the information that the sender sends. Let me see the demo of our project. Choose homepage.java and click run file. If the user is already registered user, directly going to the login form, or else he has to create a new account. In a new account form, the all mandatory fields must be filled by the proper information, like first name column must have a specified alphabets names, and username must be a proper one, and also a password could be inserted or password could be typed, both are same in the two password columns. It's for a verification code or for a security purpose. And has to specify the mail, and birthday column is to specify or to verify the age of a user. The mobile number is used to send a verification code for a security purpose. An additional mail address is to recover our email if anyone hacked us. Port number is used to connect to email address to send a file or to send the information from both client to receiver or client server to client. Is a captcha number for a verification code. Finally, we are going to give the information regarding to the user. After filling the all mandatory fields, then we sign up. After the validation could be done, then only inserted the file. Then a new window would be opened. In this form, we are going to compose a mail or send a mail to a corresponding receiver. Our username could be displayed here. To send a message or send information, just click compose mail. It's a caps lock to send a file. In this form, it's a send mail form. In this, we have to specify the receiver email ID in a 2 column and the subject, what information it could be carried out. That subject could be specified in the text box, and also we have to specify or we can insert any letters or any text message in a text area column. After we specify this information, then we are going to click the sender. In this form could be these actions are going to be done in this form or in this frame. We are going to specify a valid email ID. And the subject. Then what are the information that are going to carry it out? Then after specifying that, we are going to send this information to the receiver, corresponding receiver, who has the email ID is ligi@smail.com. After clicking the send button, we are going to minimize all the frames and we are going to run the new frame parallelly. That frame is going to be a login frame. We are going to log in by make use of the email ID named as ligi@smail.com. Again, we are going to run homepage.java to login purpose. In this form, we are going to log in by make use of this ID ligi@smail.com, because these IDs only going to hold or going to receive the information that is sent by mono@smail.com. In this frame, to receive the information that is sent by mono@smail.com, just click the inbox label or inbox button to receive the informations. This message box is an intimation to us, because this message box shows that our client system could be successfully connected to the server system. Just then click OK. Their messages could be displayed here, what we are sent from mono@smail.com. It will become our final output. Thank you.